नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ये किसने सही किया? मोस्ट ऑफ देम मस्ट हैव मेड इट रॉन्ग, ज्यादातर ने ये गलत किया होगा। आई होप इसमें मैं पूजा करवाने में सफल रहा। तो वेरी गुड, द आंसर इज नॉट ऑल ऑफ द अबव. Read the question carefully. The question is, which adverse effect likely to be seen at high plasma concentration? So that means which is the acute side effect? Acute side effect. So acute side effect of phenytoin. First of all, everyone remember hot malika of phenytoin. Phenytoin side effects are hot malika. And I told you two A's are acute side effects. They are seen in overdose. All other are requiring long-term use, but 2A's, they occur only at high concentration. So arrhythmias and ataxias. Arrhythmias and ataxias, they are likely to be seen at high dose, high concentration only. Clear? So right answer here is ataxia. Although these are also side effect of phenytoin, but they are seen only on long-term use. Long-term use. अंडरस्टूड? ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है? यस बेटा, जो नॉर्मल में दिखते हैं वो ओवरडोज में भी दिखेंगे ना। ये क्या मतलब हुआ? आपने किसी को फेनिटोइन स्टार्ट किया, उसने 15 दिनों बाद फेनिटोइन की ओवरडोज ले ली, तो क्या 15 दिनों बाद उसको हिर्सुटिज्म हो जाएगा? यस और नो? जस्ट लेट मी नो. बोलो बोलो. नहीं होगा ना. अदर्स रिक्वायर लॉन्ग टर्म यूज. लॉन्ग टर्म यूज 3 3 4 4 5 5 10 10 साल चाहिए. ठीक है. अक्यूट प्लाज्मा लेवल होने से नहीं होगा. acute plasma level whenever reaches, whether it is 10th day or 15th day or 5 years, जब भी acute level बढ़ेगा, it will lead to stimulation of two A's. Two A's will occur. One is arrhythmias and second with ataxias. You understand the concept? जज्बात समझ गए? समझ गए कवि क्या कहना चाहता है? Okay, so they are asking at this high concentration which side effect will be seen. At high concentration, the side effect which will be seen will be ataxias and arrhythmias. Okay, चलिए आगे. Got it? I hope हॉट मलिका को रिवाइज तो नहीं करना. You remember हॉट मलिका? हिर्सुटिज्म, हाइपरट्रॉफी ऑफ गम, ओस्टियोमलेशिया, टेरेटोजेनिसिटी, मेगालोब्लास्टिक अनीमिया, arrhythmias, lymph node enlargement, insulin deficiency, vitamin K deficiency and ataxia nystagmus vertigo. That's why बेटा अगर आपको कुछ नहीं दिया है तो you will not assume ना. Duration of increased level is not given. I understand that is not given. So why do you assume that it is being given since 10 years? Okay. So they are specifically asking which adverse effect likely to be seen at this high plasma concentration. Okay. Got it? Sure. Now tell me about this. Yes, this is the toxic side effect, beta. These are the toxic side effects. Pure action potential prolonging drug without any other effect on action potential. That means the drug is only increasing APD, nothing else. Let's see the effect of all these 4 drugs, then it will be clear. So this is a normal action potential. So what will be the effect of quinidine? Quinidine belong to which class of antiarrhythmic drugs? Quinidine कौन सी क्लास की है? Remember, queen है, queen. Queen A category थी. So it is 1A. So 1 means this will be the action. 1 means this will be the action. And A means after the normal. So this will be the action. Clear? So this is not purely increasing APD. It is decreasing the slope also. So this cannot be the answer. Then coming to amiodarone. Amiodarone belong to which class of drugs? Amiodarone कौन सी class की drug है? Class 3. But amiodarone में खास बात क्या थी? Special thing about amiodarone, it has all the properties, all the action. So that means it is a sodium channel blocker also, and it is a potassium blocker also. Main is potassium blocker, but sodium भी block करता है. Now because it is blocking sodium, so this action will come, and because it is blocking potassium, this action will come. So effect will be almost similar to quinidine. Quinidine जैसा ही आए. Is it clear? So it is also not a pure action potential prolonging drug. Then lignocaine belong to which category? Lignocaine किस category है? Lignocaine is 1B. Remember, legs दबाने वाला B category के लो. So B category people, they are sodium blocker, so effect is same, but because they are potassium blocker, effect will be this. B मतलब before normal. तो इसमें भी ये प्लस आ गया और प्लस इसमें APD prolonged भी नहीं हुआ, तो it cannot be the answer. So remaining is I-butylide. I-butylide is which category? It is class 3. Remember, bindas drugs. We discussed bindas drugs. I-butylide is class 3. एंड क्लास 3 आर पोटेशियम चैनल ब्लॉकर्स. सो पोटेशियम चैनल ब्लॉकर है तो इफेक्ट विल बी दिस. So this drug ibutylide, it only increase APD without decreasing the slope of phase C. तो सिंपल क्वेश्चन इज विच इज ओनली पोटेशियम चैनल ब्लॉकर. इनमें से सिर्फ पोटेशियम चैनल को ब्लॉक कौन करेगा? द आंसर इज ibutylide. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन. इज इट क्लियर? बट एपी एंड ईआरपी आर रिलेटेड टू ईच अदर ना, वो तो हम एडजस्ट नहीं कर सकते, वो तो आपस में ये जब एक चेंज होगा दूसरा भी अपने आप चेंज होगा ना. तो इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज no other effect because the ERP we cannot see from the graph. This is a question, nude question which I tried to add and did not understand ibutylide. But ibutylide is only potassium channel blocker. Class 3 drugs are only potassium channel blockers. So if a drug is only potassium channel blocker, it will increase APD, nothing else. ठीक है, APD बढ़ाएगा और कुछ नहीं करेगा. Okay.